Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to create high quality Instagram Reels on Android. So guys, not going to take much of your time. You just need to enable a certain settings that will not compress your media when you upload them. And it works for both photos and videos, which are Reels. So you go to your profile, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right, scroll all the way down until you see the let me see, data usage and media quality. Click on this. And now as you can see in here, we have the two settings. So we have high resolution media. Just click on this, upload at highest quality. So as you can see, it will upload the highest quality photos and videos, including Reels, of course, even if uploading takes longer. So this will make sure to not compress the hell out of your media files and pretty much more or less leave them in their original quality. And also make sure to understand if your videos take a lot of space or something, right? Maybe multiple hundreds of megabytes in weight or gigabytes especially, make sure that you have enough data to upload them. And yeah, you should pretty much choose Wi-Fi maybe if your videos are too heavy, too bulky. Don't upload them through your 4G or 5G internet, because yeah, we're going to have to pay a lot of money for that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy the guide, and as always, like and subscribe.